This is the inside Center for Memories, and we are in already. So most of these are the things they have inside here, which they are going to give us the explanations of what they mean later. This is referring to Abriba precise Abriba culture, which they called Nebanono, and so on. All of these, there are many here. All about Abriba people, to be precise. These are also people who come to this archive to come and study about our culture. We, umuamala, also are here with some few, just very few of us. Shows you're seeing, it's about Abriba people. Abriba people, these are the things they do. This is the culture of the Abriba in Abia State. These ones are not actually for the Abriba, but kept at the archive. Kept at the archive. These are things we're supposed to know the interpretations and the meaning as Igbo people. Wherever we see these things, we're supposed to know what they mean and what they represent. We are Igbo people, and as an Igbo man, we are supposed to know these things, and wherever we see them, we're supposed to understand them and know what they represent. If we are not able to do that, then we are not proud Igbos. We need to know these things. This is a glass showcase, a kind of, when they put some precious stones that could be found in Igbo land. Precious stones that could be found in Igbo land. Still the Abriba culture on the very pictures on the walls. Yes, it's about Igbo people. Things that umuamala, socio-cultural organization, must know everything about. We will know them and know what they mean to us as a people. We know what these things represent to us as a people. These are things we're supposed to know. This place is in Independence Layout. This place is in Independence Layout, Enugu. Umuoji. Independence Layout, Enugu. I didn't even get the exact address. No worry, I will send it as a test. I will send the complete address as a test on the group below. It's referring to the Abriba culture of the Abriba people. But these ones is now for the Center for Memory, especially. It's not about Abriba people. The pictures on the wall is for the Abriba people. But these ones, the artworks and every other thing, is specially for the Centers for Memory. Thank you very much. Thank you for viewing. Explanations will come later.